Hi, it's Mike at Payam Data Recovery, where I'm watching something extraordinary. A data recovery expert working on the most complex logic board transplant you will ever see. The customer had already sent this phone to America's biggest data recovery company and was looking for a second opinion. This iPhone 15 traveled from Massachusetts, USA, all the way to Australia because its owner, Manessa, refused to give up. The problem? Her iPhone suddenly powered off. Nobody could repair the phone or get her data back. She desperately wanted all her photos back. The diagnosis revealed a cracked CPU, where the slightest mistake would destroy everything forever. What I witnessed was like microsurgery. Using only a manual grinder, the engineer had to remove damaged layers without knowing exactly where they ended. A process so delicate that he told me it took 10 attempts to get it right. Most technicians would have quit after the first failure. The odds? Less than 10%. But after days of painstaking work, he got it functioning. Then came an unexpected second problem. iOS corruption due to read errors on the memory chip that nearly broke him. Again, when anyone else would have walked away, he found a solution. Hours turned to days and into weeks. So much work requiring the kind of patience and expertise that simply doesn't exist in most repair shops. The result? Every photo, every video completely recovered. When others can't help, sometimes you need someone with the rare combination of skill, training, and most importantly, the patience to never give up. That's why Payam Data Recovery makes the bold claim that they are the best data recovery company in the world. This is how they back it up.